28? Where are you from?
I'm from Guadalajara.
Guadalajara?
Yeah.
I'm from Africa.
Africa? Oh my God. A ella le gustan los africanos.
Africana?
Africanos.
Oh, look. Hey, listen.
Espalda grande.
Oh.
Dile que qué tiene grande él. No.
What? You want to take a photo?
La guapa, ¿quiere una foto?
All right, these guys here, they want to take a photo with me. Seems like I'm
Hey, que
famous.
se clavó esta mamada, espérenme.
Come.
También.
Come. We'll take a picture. Oh, yeah, look at the drink.
Miguel.
Take a picture with your phone.
Miguel, acomódame el arroz.
So this dude, where's the camera open?
Ahí ya.
Password. Ah, bonita.
Hermosa, cabrón.
Yeah.
Hey, hermosa.
Wait, let me show you. Watch out for
Sí,
this.
sí.
Hey, do you mind taking us a picture?
¿Pasárselo a alguien más?
All right, take us a photo. Awesome, yeah.
Gracias a ti.
Thank you so much.
Hermano, gracias a ti.
Gracias a ti. Gracias a ti.
Gracias a ti.
Thank you.
Dios te bendiga.
Ay, qué hermoso.
Give you a hug.
Te puedo probar a ver si eres
That's right, yeah, that's right.
No.
Hermosa.
Gracias.
Hey, gracias. What's your name? Name? No. I won't ask you what it means to be black in Mexico.
I can't answer
Because you look, because you already look Hispanic to me. You look Mexican, but he's from the States. Funny part. What a wonderful guy.
Not from the States. Where is he from?
Guess.
Guess? You're not from Mexico, are you?
No, but not too far.
Not Colombia. Colombia?
Yes, Colombia.
Hey, Yushi.
Yeah.
How does it feel being black in Mexico? Oh, no, not being black.
What?
How does it feel being black in Mexico? No, not being black. Asian.
What are you talking about?
Sorry, I thought she was black for a minute.
I do that too. Like
Yeah,
when
but-
I get super familiar with somebody, I start speaking Chinese to them.
Yeah.
I don't even care if they understand my Chinese. So yeah.
That's nice. Let me create trouble. Amigo, you're a good guy. Speak English, right?
Absolutely.
So listen, this is OG Mexican here. Mexican?
Yes.
You don't see many black people in Mexico?
Yes, he was there.
It's very wonderful people. They treat us so well, very kind. They were calling me Avatar. Rico. Rico, what's Rico?
Rich.
Oh, rich. Rico. Right? It was nice meeting you, man. I hope you have a good time.
Thank you so much for visiting.
Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
And when
This
you
guy
wanna
looks,
come
he
back
looks
home,
white.
come back.
Yeah. Well, you're white or you're You're white? No.
See, that's what happens. That's what happens when the Spaniards came here. They took our jobs and impregnated our women.
Oh, look at his eyes. Gringo. Yeah. No, gringo. Everything is good. Give me 5. 5. How are you? Bonita. Okay. Give me 5. That's good. You?
Where you from?
Kenya.
Kenya.
Africa.
Africa. Excelente. Welcome.
Yeah, for 5 days you speak English?
No.
No English? Poquito English?
Puro baby. Chicas.
Un nombre Blazy.
Lazy. ¿Hablas español también? Poquito.
Poquito.
Okay.
What's your name?
Mi nombre es Robert.
Robert.
Yes,
Robert. You?
Toño.
Pollo?
Toño. Pero, ¿tú eres de África?
África, Kenia.
Pero, ¿es Estados Unidos?
Yeah. Okay, good night. Bye.
my friend.
Take care.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. It's funny, bro. I really can't speak Spanish, but anything I do or how I try it's good. Good stuff, man. Take care. Hola. Hey, adios. funny how people are giving me looks, like good looks though. I feel like I'm quite exotic in Mexico. They don't see many black people. And I'm also dressed up in a suit. Hola, amigo. Okay, so me and you, we're gonna be friends, okay? We have to be friends. There's no other way. If you can't see me, it's because of the lighting. But me and this dude here, we have to be friends. Who doesn't love music? And we're gonna play music, for sure, for sure. For sure, for shizzle. And then we play music with this guy. Hey, Baba, I'll give you money, you play music. Play that, I'll give you money. You know, we have to spend time with our elders. Let's see what he can do. I give him money, he plays music, we have a good time, and life moves on. That's how we do it. Baba, first, one music, peso, okay?
Gracias.
Okay, now let's do it. I'll listen.
Esta noche cantaremos a un buen amigo que nos visita aquí en Puerto Vallarta. Le deseamos felicidades y bienvenido a este puerto donde siempre recibimos a los amigos cordialmente y disfrutamos de una bohemia o de un cántico. En esta noche les quiero cantar esto que dice así. I remember. Thank you very much. I remember my woman.
Are you happy? He's happy, he's getting money. Okay. Another money is coming.
I remember the friends in Compton.
Ah, okay.
I know there. I have other friends.
Okay.
Un saludo para California. Se olvidó.
Another money.
Eso que como la primavera. Su voz te tira el beso. Él vive que mirabas. Para my women, hasta canto,
Hasta pento.
ella ya se olvidó de aquellas caminatas. Allá en la costa.
$100 for you.
Amigo, eso que no puedo. Ahí Estoy
Nice.
cantando
Stuff, yeah.
para un gran amigo
Amigo.
en esta noche. Y le mandamos un saludo muy cordial a toda su familia, a su esposa, a sus hijos, a sus papás. Hola, amigo, que estés bien y que esta noche te encuentres lleno de felicidad.
You speak English? Inglés? No inglés?
Ella ya se olvidó.
Música.
Time,
Thank you.
I wanna talk to you. Thank you very much, mi amigo.
Oh, beautiful. Okay.
Ella ya se olvidó. No.
Chicago. Take care, okay?
Boston,
Okay,
dígale eso.
what's your name? Your name?
Él vive en
Diana? Diana. My name Blaze. Blaze, what's up? Thank you. Take care, okay? You, Baba, hold this. This is you. You vlog. Let's go. Let's go. I'm out here with these cool kids chilling around, and I don't know who they are, but I think we're gonna have fun. How old are you? How old are you? 28.
¿Cuántos años tiene?
Yeah.
12,
Blaze.
30 y tantos.
Okay. And you? Oh, you. What's your name? No.
My name.
Hello. Speak. You speak English? How can I say what's your name in Spanish?
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Juan Luis.
Luis? You?
Mani.
Mani?
Mani.
Mani. You?
Matías.
Adios.
Fabián.
Fabian? And Blazy. Good to see you. Give me 5. Amigo.
I remember the Soul Train.
Yeah.
Train.
Soul Train? You like Soul Train? Oh! Hey guys, anybody speaks English here? Anybody speaks English? Iglesia? Hablos? No English? Español? Quick, so let me see. Give me a second. No photo. This Corona. How old are you? How old? ¿Cómo te llamas? Oh! Wait, let me put this here. It's too much. So, me, Blazy, my name.
Okay.
You,
My name is Francisco.
Francisco?
Yeah.
Lisbeth, boyfriend?
No.
No? Just friends? Oh, 7. You, what's your name? Claudia. Nice to meet you. Hey, my friend, what's your name?
Vacation?
What are you guys doing? Yeah, vacation. My friend's wedding, that's why I'm dressed.
Oh, nice.
We're having a wedding at the
nice.
Buenaventura. You know Buenaventura Hotel?
Vámonos a la pinche boda.
Vámonos.
¿Nos vas a invitar a la boda?
Tell me what she's saying.
Saying that you're gonna invite us to the wedding.
Yeah.
Dice que sí.
¿Cuándo?
Right now. She's at wedding right now, huh?
You wanna come with me?
She's with me. She's with my boy.
Thank you. Hey, you guys have a good night. Take care, okay? Stay safe. Good night. Bye. That's your boyfriend?
No.
No?
I don't have a
Single?
No.
Why are you single? Why are you single?